Most new CEOs reach out to people who have been CEOs for a period of time. They don't just rely on the gal or the guy that was in the seat before them. They reach out to other CEOs and talk about what challenges they've seen. Fake it until you make it? Never. Don't do it. I hear people say all the time, oh, I'm going to fake it until I make it. Or I'm new in this role. I guess I'll have to fake it until I make it. I am not a fan of that phrase, and I'm not a fan of that action. Because here's the deal. It suggests, even to you as you're saying it, that you're not quite ready. When an opportunity has come to you and you find yourself in that situation now, you are ready. No need to fake it. It is about having the confidence that you can in fact do the job or that you will be successful in that role. Nobody hands you an opportunity to be president of a division when you're not ready. Nobody hands you the opportunity to be an entrepreneur and a founder if you're not ready. They don't invest their money in you. Nobody gives you the opportunity to be a CEO or an executive vice president if you're not ready. If the universe has served up this opportunity, then you are ready. What you need to focus on is the fact that you have a track record of doing things successfully, and you have a track record of doing things successfully for the first time. So you find yourself in a situation where you haven't done that particular thing before. You have been in other situations where you have never done things before and you crushed it. You also, number two, have the ability to learn. That's why you've been successful and got to that point. So if you haven't seen it before, so what? Spend some time investing in getting up to speed intellectually and talking to people who have done the role before. Most new CEOs reach out to people who have been CEOs for a period of time. They don't just rely on the gal or the guy that was in the seat before them. They reach out to other CEOs and talk about what challenges they've seen. How were their first 90 days? What's the most important thing for them to do after they've gotten into this seat? Every CEO I've had the privilege of know and that I know today that I've talked to, that's been their strategy. As soon as they get into their seat, even though they're qualified experientially, they're qualified intellectually, they find out how others have tackled it. And some use those strategies and some don't, but the information is important to them. So you have people, you have intellect, and you also have the previous experience that have allowed you to get to that seat that will help you to be successful in whatever seat that is or whatever new endeavor you might have in front of you. Look at your confidence. Look at your track record. Look at your previous experience. Those are the things that you should focus on. Why should you fake it? And oh, by the way, you know that one of my favorite sayings is that your authenticity is your distinct competitive advantage. Nobody can be you the way that you can be you. And if you're faking it, then you're putting yourself in a more vulnerable position, because at some point the fake face will fall off. And you better hope that you're in a situation where the organization or the people around you will embrace the real you. So bringing the real you into that situation and rolling up your sleeves to learn something, or asking the right question, or getting the right people around you, those are the things that you affirmatively do. But no need to spend your time faking it. Go get them.